What's up, guys? As y'all can see, we're working on the screed, laser screed, Somero s240. We got a pretty good little task going on today. We're changing out the hoses on the boom. As you can see, it's these up here. I've got these numbered. I just went through and I put like 1, 2, 3. I just went through and numbered them all, as you can see. Then I went up here and I chased down my lines. We're running a wire, a little piece of like tie wire. We're running that hooking to one end, and then we're on this right here where your clamp goes. I just put out the end, that's outside to the inside. And then they run up through here. We got one left on this side. They run up to the block up top. Let me climb up here. What I did, Pop, you see the flashlight?
Sure.
The light?
You like?
Yeah. Alright, as you can see, what I've done up in here is this is mostly where all your hoses go to this block. I'm blurring out my light. They pretty much go to your block right here. What I done on the inside is I made me like a little chart on the numbers, as you can see right here. That is pretty much the order that your lines go in up through here. That's numbered. I just found out which line went to which block or which post, and then I marked it over here on what hose hooks to it. And then you got some over here. The ones on this side, I pretty much put a piece of tape on the side of the block, and y'all can see I've got it numbered. It's if y'all can see, my camera's kind of blurting it out. It's too bright or something. But I've got 2 in the back, 7, 9, 3. And then the other side's over here where it's got 1 and 5. If I can get my camera to tune in, yeah, that was up the light. All right, you can see there's 1, 5, or 8, 10, 6, 1, and 5. And then this side over here, you've got 3, 9, 7, and then 2. And that pretty much goes down at the bottom. So I like taking them out. So, but yeah, they're kind of a little bit of a task to get out. The reason I decided to change these out today is we've got 1 or 2 that's kind of boogered up a little bit because they get caught up. They get kind of jammed up in here every now and then and end up scraping them, wires them down, so you have to change them out. But as you can see, I've got wires. What we're doing is when I take it loose up here, I'm tying the wire around it, and then I'm fishing it around and pulling it back under here where it goes under your bottom. You got your clamp, which is this plate right here. Then it's got let's see, where's it at? Right here. There's pretty much your clamp plate. It just goes 1 on top, 1 on bottom, and it just smashes it, holds it down, keeps them from sliding. You got the same thing right here. You got a bolt right there that just pins them in. And what we're doing, we're just tying, and down at the bottom, after I fish my wires through, when I pull my hoses out, it's got the wire, you know, it leads my wire in, that way I can pull it back through. I'm just twisting my wires around these fitting down here, and I've got them numbered, so that way I know which wire to pull to number to which one it is. But that's pretty much what we got going on here, and hopefully it'll help you out. These over here, some of these run around, and then they fish up through by your pressure washer pump, and then they go up through there and they go across. Number 4, I'll tell you now, number 4 goes to your tank, your main tank up top, so you'll have to cap it off as soon as you unhook it. If not, it'll leak all your fluid out. But hopefully that'll help you out. If you got any questions, just give me a comment. All right, I put this side, you can see it's the same. It goes the inside of the boom to the outside of the boom, the numbers, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that way it goes in the order here whenever you're taking them back out. All right, if you got any questions, give me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up more of my videos. Thanks.